Good morning, ISD families and students. My name is Tiffany Heller, and I am the PE teacher at Blackburn Elementary. Hi, Bobcats. So, on Wednesday, it will be Earth Day, and I thought what fun to show you one of the fun projects I did last year for my school, and that you can do at your house, or even make for your own PE classroom. So, I took an old milk jug, and with help from an adult, don't do it by yourself, you can cut the whole bottom off of your jug and then clean it out and then put duct tape around the edge. Why is the duct tape really important? Because you have cut plastic and you don't want any injuries. But we use this at Blackburn as one of our scoops to also practice our fundamental catching skills, but also it's one of our Earth Day classroom assignments and activities that we play in the gym. So I'm going to show you 4 moves that you can do, and I took advantage of the beautiful day today so that we could be outside. If you don't have a scoop like this, or you don't want necessarily to make one, you can do all this without a scoop, or if you have a baseball mitt, you can do it too. But I wanted to take upon the whole recycling of our equipment for Earth Day. So one of the first movements that you can do, very basic, is bounce your ball and try to catch it inside your scoop or your mitt. So just play catch with yourself, bouncing it, tossing it back up. Right now I'm right-handed, so I'm using my right hand, but if you want more of a challenge, feel free to switch your hands with your scoop. Go ahead and bounce it with the other hand, crossing your midline using the other side of your brain. Whoop. And sometimes you might not catch it right away. It's okay. Now, you can also move on to the second skill, which is crossing your midline a little bit more, tossing the ball up, catching it in the mid-air, all right? I say crossing the midline because that means that you're using both sides of your brain as you're doing the activity. So you can start with the ball on one hand and then catch it on the other side, so that both sides of your brain has to work. You can even pop it back out to your hand, but you're gonna pop it over. Then if you want, switch hands so you're strengthening both sides of your brain. You can do this for a few minutes with yourself. Okay, again, you can pop it back out if you want, or just pop it into your hand, pull the ball back out of the jug, popping it back in your hand. Keep your eye on the ball. Your third movement that you can do with your scoops is kind of what I kind of showed you, but it's going to leave the jug, go in the air, come back, building that hand-eye coordination. So you can pop it up, keep your eyes on the ball, whatnot. You do this all with an old milk jug. How cool is that? Popping it up, putting it back in, popping it up, putting it back in. Your fourth challenge, if you're up for it, you're actually gonna start with it upside down, and you're gonna use the top part of your jug. My secret is think thumbs down at first, but you're gonna rest that ball on there, preferably a tennis ball, with your eyes following it, catch it back in your jug. Again, start it on top, pop it up, catch it. If you want from then, go into your whole catch, you totally can. And like I said, you don't have to have a milk jug, but if you do make one, make sure you use adult supervision because it involves cutting plastic, so we don't do that by ourselves. But this is one way that you can help the environment, have something totally cheap at home, you recycled, and you're helping on Earth Day. Have fun. Bye, Independence families and students. Have a great day.